I'm Chef Maeve, and we're gonna make the best grilled cheese you've ever had. Get your saucepan going, just salted Finlandia butter there, and some white onions. When you see them starting to turn golden, add in your sliced dried figs. Just do a little balsamic vinegar, toss in your bacon bits, give it a stir. That's what you're looking for. I have generously buttered my bread. Go ahead and lay butter down. Finlandia has come out with these delicious new cheeses. This is their Edam cheese. It's creamy and just a hint of nuttiness. It's delicious. Pile on our filling, more of the Edam sliced cheese. Make sure you get a heavy cast iron skillet. Push that bread into the skillet. And now we turn it on. And you're gonna do a one flip. Last side. Look at that work of art. Melty, gooey, take a sneaky peek inside, grilled cheese.